Hello everyone, hope all of you are fit and fine. My name is Ahana Wadhwa and I study in class 9th B. Our India is very beautiful and diversified country. So, today we the students of Titiksha Public School will take you to a virtual tour of a very attractive state of India. Can you all guess where are we going today? Let me give you one hint. It is a place where nature smiles. Yes, it is Sikkim. So, are you all ready to explore Sikkim with us? It is a state in India which is located in the northeastern part of the country, in the eastern Himalayas. It is one of the smallest states in India. Sikkim is bordered by the Tibet Autonomous Region of China to the north and northeast, by Bhutan to the southeast, by the Indian state of West Bengal to the south, and by Nepal to the west. The capital is Gangtok in the northeastern part of state. A part of the eastern Himalayas, Sikkim is notable for its biodiversity, including alpine and subtropical climates. Sikkim is a blessed land where people from all communities live in harmony. In spite of the fact that Sikkim comprises of different people and multi-ethnic society, perhaps it is the most peaceful state of the Indian Union to promote communal harmony and human relations, a feat which is much expected in a plural society like India. So let's start with some quick facts about Sikkim. So its area is 7,096 square kilometers. There are 4 districts, subdivision 16, total forest cover 47.34%, state animal red panda, state bird blood pheasant, state flower noble orchid, state tree nivium, population 6,10,577, density of population 86% per square kilometer, literacy rate 81.4%. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Tanushyade of class 9. Today, we would be exploring the culture and the tradition of Sikkim. Sikkim is a unique blend of different religions, customs and tradition of different communities. In the ancient times, Sikkim was occupied by 3 tribes, Naung, Chang and the Mon. But with the course of time, the inhabitants of the nearby countries became a major inhabitant of the state. The Lekchas, the clan of Nagas from Tibet, are one of the tribal groups. The Bhutias, the descendants of Buddhists from the Tibet and the Nepalese. The descendants of the Hindus from Nepal, which now dominates the considerable portion of Sikkim's.
Greetings everyone, my name is Tamini Pawar. Today I am going to tell you the history of Sikkim. Sikkim was a Buddhist kingdom under the Namgyal Chogyal dynasty from 1642 to 1975. The history of Sikkim begins with the contacts between ancient Hindus and Tibetans, followed by the establishment of a Buddhist kingdom or Chogyal in the 17th century. Sikkim emerged as a polity in its own right against a backdrop of incursions from Tibet and Bhutan, during which the kingdom enjoyed varying degrees of independence. In the early 18th century, the British Empire sought to establish trade routes with Tibet, leading Sikkim to fall under British suzerainty until independence in 1940. Essentially, Sikkim remained an independent country until it merged with India in 1975, and many provisions of Indian constitution had to be altered to accommodate the international treaty and between Sikkim and India. And on 16th May 1975, Sikkim became the 22nd state of India and monarchy was abolished.
Languages of Sikkim. There are 11 official languages in Sikkim. First 3 main languages of Sikkim are Nepali, Bhutia and Lepcha. Nepali is spoken by the majority of people. The Bhutias and Lepchas people also use this language. In Sikkim, 80% of the Nepali people cover the area. Nepali is the main language.
Greetings all, my name is Sakshi Dua and I study in class 9th B. Today we're gonna talk something about Sikkim's flora and fauna. As we all know, Sikkim is a state in northeastern India and it has very beautiful flora. Sikkim can be basically divided into 3 zones, the tropical, the temperate and the alpine. The noble orchid has been declared as the state flower of the Sikkim, whereas the other flora consist of oak, maple, alder and many more. Among the animals more commonly found in the alpine zone are yaks. Sikkim also has a rich diversity of arthropods, many of which remain unstudied. Thank you.